Welcome to Technolearn Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss SQL Delete command. The delete command in SQL is used to remove specific rows from a table. This is the syntax we can use for the delete command. It is important to note that if we do not provide the where clause in the delete command, then all the records from the table will be deleted. Let's understand the delete command with the help of the table geo. So this is our geo table that contains different columns. And in this table, we have one column named LOB. And if we look into this column, we can see that this column contains different LOB values. So select distinct LOB from table name. Select the statement, click on execute. So these are the different LOBs that are available in this table. Different LOBs are QNT, RNT, and UET. And now if we want to delete all the records that are related to RNT LOB, then we will use the delete command. You must be wondering why we are deleting all the records where the LOB is RNT. Maybe we have uploaded some wrong data and now we want to make a correction and remove those records that are not part of our original dataset. Or maybe we do not require those records. So in this situation, we will have to remove some records from the table. And in order to remove these records, we will have to use the delete command. So let's see how we can use the delete command and remove some records from a table that meets a specific condition. Okay, as we have already discussed that we are going to remove the records where the LOB is RNT. So we will write delete from table name and specify the condition. As we are going to remove all the records that belong to RNT LOB, we will write where LOB is RNT. So write delete from table name and now specify your condition where LOB is RNT. So our statement is ready. We are going to delete some records from this table. And this statement will delete only those records that will satisfy this condition. That means where LOB is RNT. And now select the statement and click on execute. Command completed successfully. And now if we retrieve the data from this table using the select statement, we can see that we have no records where LOB is RNT. So just select the statement and click on execute. And we can see that if we observe the LOB column, we can see that we do not have any data related to RNT. To ensure our statement, we will run the select distinct command again. Select distinct LOB from table name, click on execute. And now we can see that we don't have any RNT value in this column. So now we have learned that how we can remove rows from a table based on a specific condition. So that was our original statement that we executed, and with the help of this statement we were finally able to delete the records where LOBs RNT. One important point to note is that if we forgot to include the where clause in our statement, or we do not provide the where clause in this statement, then what will happen? In this situation, if I run this statement and click on execute, command completed successfully. And now if we go and select our table and click on execute, we can see that our entire table is empty now because we didn't provide any where clause in the delete statement. So it's very important that we have to provide the where clause in the delete statement. Otherwise, all the records from the table will be deleted in one go. So in this lesson, we have learned how we can use the delete command to remove the specific rows from our table and what is the importance of the where clause with the delete command.